Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the site and securing permits. This is non-negotiable. Start foundation layout now. Stake the 200-400 square meter footprint and mark a 3-meter buffer. Once done, verify local animal and building codes so your design meets welfare and safety standards. This avoids costly rework later. Make sure to plan a 60% indoor to 40% outdoor ratio for temperature control and enrichment. Continue immediately with utility routing and drainage trenches to prevent future water problems. You now construct the core structure and systems. Start framing the insulated indoor rooms with 20-centimeter walls and R20 equivalent insulation to stabilize temperatures. Next, install HVAC tuned to a 10 to 18 degrees C range with 60 to 80% humidity control. This replicates Panda comfort. It matters for health and behavior. Once the shell is complete, fit stainless steel mesh for safety, tempered glass viewing panels for visitors, and apply non-toxic, bamboo-compatible finishes so pandas can forage and climb safely. You finish by adding enrichment and redundant systems. Begin with multi-level platforms, pools, and secure dens to mimic natural behavior, and allocate a 1/4 hectare for diverse foraging. Then complete plumbing, backup generator, alarms, and clear staff access routes so routines run smoothly. Once installed, test HVAC, water, and power for 14 days and log performance data to spot drift. If something fails, isolate the system, switch to backup power, and consult the emergency veterinary plan immediately. This is your key trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.